Hey there, Money Masters. It's your girl Izzy back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's been on everyone's mind at some point or another: renting versus buying a home. Now, I know this can seem like a daunting topic, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. Let's think of this as a journey. You're standing at a crossroads with two paths in front of you. One path leads to a house you own, the other to a house you rent. Both paths have their own unique landscapes, challenges, and rewards. The renting path, let's call it the renter's route, is like a well-trodden trail. It's straightforward, with fewer unexpected twists and turns. You pay your rent every month, and in return, you get a place to live without the worry of maintenance or repairs. That's like your hiking guide taking care of the path, ensuring it's clear and safe for you. But the renter's route has its limitations. You're walking on someone else's land. You can't make significant changes to the path or the surrounding landscape. You can't plant your own trees or build your own shelter. And at the end of the day, no matter how much time you spend on this path, it will never truly be yours. Now let's look at the other path, the buyer's boulevard. This path is more like a wild, untamed forest. It's yours to explore and shape as you wish. You can plant trees, build a shelter, even dig a well if you want. The possibilities are endless. But with this freedom comes responsibility. You're the one who has to maintain the path, deal with any obstacles that come up, and ensure it's safe and secure. And unlike the renter's route, where you pay a fixed amount every month, the costs on the buyer's boulevard can fluctuate. One month you might need to fix a leaky roof, the next you might need to replace a broken window. And then there's the matter of the initial investment. To start your journey on the buyer's boulevard, you need to make a down payment. This is like buying all the gear you need for your journey through the forest. It's a significant upfront cost, but it's a one-time expense. So, which path should you choose? Well, that depends on your circumstances, your goals, and your preferences. If you value flexibility, predictability, and minimal responsibility, the renter's route might be the way to go. But if you're looking for a place to truly call your own, and you're willing to invest time, money, and effort into it, then the buyer's boulevard could be your path. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. It's about finding the path that's right for you. All right, Money Masters, that's all for today's episode. I hope this journey through the renter's route and the buyer's boulevard has helped you understand the pros and cons of renting versus buying a home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-understand financial advice. And remember, no matter which path you choose, the journey is what matters. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep mastering your money. Until next time, this is Izzy signing off. Stay savvy, Money Masters.